John and Judy are talking about holidays.
Where are you going on holiday this year?
I'm not sure. Last year we booked a package tour abroad to France. The arrival was easy, but the departure was difficult because the flight was late and our luggage didn't arrive.
Did you stay in a hotel or a bed and breakfast?
We stayed in a tourist village in a resort with great accommodation and we had terrific food. What about you? Where are you going this year?
My parents want to go on an expensive cruise round the Mediterranean. It leaves from Barcelona and stops at lots of ports, with a final destination in Athens. There, they transfer to a flight and fly home.
Are you going to travel with them?
I'm undecided. I don't think there's a lot to do on board the cruise ship. I may go camping with my mates. And you?
I fancy a change, so my cousin and I are going to Berlin on a sightseeing tour with a guide.
Sounds a bit serious. Why don't you come camping with us?
Maybe.